Hello everyone. This is A77 War Robots, and this is the 5 scariest sounds and voices from Trevor Henderson creatures. Remember, this is based on my opinion only. This list is not from anyone else. Number 5. The Pink Man, aka Forgotten Baby. This creature is a 4-legged, pink, very skinny creature with a horrifying human-like face. This made number 5 because of one single sound that it makes. Take a listen.
What's this? Ah!
This is why it made number 5. Its footsteps give it the fear of the unknown. You may think it is someone just walking around your house. But you never know. Once you see it, you will see its horrifying face and it may already be too late. Number 4. Day 17. This is a Trevor Henderson giant. It is very dark and seems to have tentacles under its head. It is way too big to fit in the picture of it. Here is what it sounds like.
Please stay inside until further notice unless you or a loved one has been pre-chosen.
This is a very terrifying sound. First, the somewhat incoherent voice that says, "Storm warning. Please stay inside until further notice unless you or your loved one has been pre-chosen." Then a loud nightmarish roar right after. This is truly one that deserves to be number 4. Number 3. Humanoid robot. This entity is a robot that seems to have suffered lots of damage. There are wires hanging off of it and it looks very skinny, as if it lost all of its armor. Let's have a listen. Now, imagine you are alone in a dark hallway and that is what you'll hear down the hall. These unnatural, robotic sounds would definitely make someone feel very terrified and helpless. Number 2. Long Horse. While Long Horse is a friendly and protective creature, it is a very complex entity from Trevor Henderson. It has an extremely long neck that stretches out to the length of infinity. The head of Long Horse has a skull of a horse with a missing lower jaw. It has hair on his neck and it can create any new joints when it wants to. Let's see what it sounds like. The sound will make me feel very vulnerable. It is very unsettling to hear bones cracking. That is definitely something that no one will want to experience, even if Long Horse is friendly. Number 1. Siren Head. Siren Head is one of the most popular and beloved creatures Trevor Henderson has ever made. Siren Head is a skinny, 40-foot-tall humanoid creature that has sirens as its head. Inside of its sirens are mouths with sharp teeth. Siren Head can replay anything that it hears, such as other victims, sirens, and even the sounds of an EAS alert. He can camouflage itself as a telephone pole, real sirens, and can even switch to being a streetlight. Let's see what this popular creature sounds like.
protest. This is a national emergency. A nuclear attack was commenced against the United States. Several major cities have been hit, including Detroit, Los Angeles, and New York City.
This is obviously one of the most scariest sounds ever heard from the Trevor Henderson creature. Siren Head can play any sound at once. This can lure new victims into being tricked and eaten. That new safety alert may just be a trick for you to become completely unsafe. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Please check the description for more information. Again, thank you, and until next time, have a nice day.